Want to speed up your language learning? Get access to all of our best PDF cheat sheets for free. Just click the link in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account right now.
Hi everyone, welcome to Ask K-Jin. My name is K-Jin. 안녕하세요, K-Jin입니다. In this series, I'll answer your Korean questions. So if you have any questions, please let me know by clicking the link in the description. Or you can go to koreanclass101.com/ask-K-Jin. So ask me any questions. Today, I picked questions related to nightlife in Korea. Here's the first question. Is Korea safe at night? In general, yes. If a woman goes out at night around 10 p.m. to get some drinks from 편의점, a convenience store, we don't think it's a dangerous thing, even if she goes out alone. So it's okay. And personally, I often hang out with my friends at night and I come back home like 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m. alone and it's okay. But that doesn't mean that Korea is the safest country. There's no crime, no criminal. It's not like that. Of course, there are some dangerous areas, so you have to be careful. And I'm not encouraging you to go out alone at night and have a lot of fun, but be careful. But in general, Korea is safe. So if you are traveling alone as a female, that is possible. So come to Korea. Here's the second question. What can I do in Korea at night? You can do many things in Korea at night, and I picked some of them. Let's look at it. First, 노래방. Yes, you can go to 노래방, which is karaoke or singing room. 노래 means singing or a song. 방 means room. So 노래방 literally means singing room. Yes, Korean people love 노래방, so you can find 노래방 everywhere. And many of them are open for 24 hours. Next, you can go to 찜질방. Oh, do you notice 방? Yes, it means room. So what room is it this time? It's 찜질. It's sauna. Korean style spa or Korean style dry sauna. It's 찜질방. And when we miss the last train or bus, some people goes to 찜질방 and sleep there because they can take a shower, they can enjoy the sauna, and there are some space where they can sleep and get some food. So actually, a lot of people gather here and hang out with their friends because it's a really fun place. You can also do a lot of activities. So try it if you have a chance. Next is PC방. Did you notice 방 again? Yes, it's a room. What room is it this time? It's PC. It's 방 for PC. PC방. It's PC room. So this is Konglish, Korean English. So this is a place where you can find a lot of computers. Are there just normal computers? No, they are great computers. Basically, the computers are so fast and you can play lots of games. And also there's a mic and you can also have headphone. And these computers are completely optimized for playing games. I think that's why Korean people are good at esports games. So PC방 is internet cafe. Another thing is 오락실. 오락실 is arcade. And also you can do shopping. This is how Korean people pronounce shopping. Shopping. Yes, you can do shopping. But please remember, not all department stores are open at night. But some stores in 동대문 are open 24 hours. So you can buy lots of clothes or things. And also, since 동대문 are open at night, you can even do a lot of things around there. Like, for example, movie theater are open at 3 a.m. around 동대문. So there are lots of things. I only picked some of them, But there are even more things to do. For example, like bar, nightclub, or much more things. I can't even count everything that you can do in Korea. So I would say Korea is like 24-hour city. So come to Korea and enjoy Korean nightlife. Here's the last question. What can I eat in Korea at night? I think this question is very difficult. I think it will be easier to answer what you cannot eat at night in Korea. There are so many things. I would say you can basically eat everything at night. Well, let me show you some of them. First is hangover soup. In Korean, that is 해장국. 해장국. 해장 means overcoming hangover. 해장 and 국 means soup. So a lot of people drink and after that they have this hangover soup. 해장국. And a lot of 해장국 restaurants are open 24 hours or they only open at night. Next food is burger. Yes, it's 버거 in Korean. 버거. Yes, you can go to a burger shop at night or you can get it delivered. Korean delivery system is very good. So you can get any food delivered at 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., whenever you want. A lot of Korean people do that. So 버거 is one of the popular ones. Another thing is chicken. Chicken. Yes, it's fried chicken. And if you are a Korean drama lover, you will see Korean people eating chicken in every Korean dramas, I would say, because Korean people love chicken that much. But please remember, if Korean people say chicken, that means it's fried chicken. It's not like chicken soup or like deep-fried chicken or sauce chicken. It's not like that. It's just fried chicken with sauce or this kind of fried chicken. So it's not like traditional chicken dish in Korea. It's more like this kind of fried chicken. And popular fried chicken, this chicken dish is 양념치킨. 양념치킨. 양념 means sauce. And chicken means, well, it's chicken. I love it. Next, we have 떡볶이. 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 Yes, it's stir-fried rice cake. And Korean people love 떡볶이 so much. By the way, 떡 means rice cake and 볶이 means stir-fried. So 떡볶이. There are many tastes of 떡볶이, but most basic one is this kind of spicy sauce. Okay, so last popular food that you can eat at night in Korea is 족발. 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 Do you know 발? 발? Yes, it means feet. So basically it's pig's feet. It's trotter. 족발. And it's so good when you eat it with 상추. It's kind of lettuce. It's very good. So there are many restaurants open at night and also you can get any food delivered to your hotel or your Airbnb or your home in Korea. So please try delivery food in Korea. That's it for this lesson. Today I answered 3 questions about topics related to nightlife in Korea. If you have any other questions, click the link in the description or go to koreanclass101.com/ask-K-Jin. Thanks for watching. I'm K-Jin and I'll see you on koreanclass101.com. 다음 시간에 봐요.